Alright, so here we're going to install GeoTracker. This is version 4.7.0.4, but any of the GeoTracker version 4s will be fine. First thing we do is we just double click on the install. We're going to get one of these messages. We will need to have admin rights to perform the install. After that, everything should be fine. So we click here, get the message here, and we click next. Keep everything as is, click next, then hit install. As you can see, it created a couple of icons on our desktop. That's good. Do you wish to install fonts? If you have a previous version of GeoTracker already on this computer, you can click no. However, if we have a fresh install, we can click yes. If you get these messages right here with the installing fonts where it says that this font already exists, do you wish to replace it? Just click yes to all these prompts. It's going to force the registry on the computer to state, yes, I need these fonts. There should be somewhere around 7 or 8 of them in total. Then you'll get this message here where it says, do you wish to restart your computer later? For the most part, you can tell it no and you'll be fine. But if you're not sure, just make sure yes is selected and then press finish. And then after that's all been installed, we can open up GeoTracker, and you'll get this message right here on the very first time you launch it, basically stating that there are no settings available, and it's kind of a heads up to say, hey, start setting up your GeoTracker. But there you go. That's a blank install of GeoTracker. Let me know if you guys have any questions. If you need to, contact the ADAPCO service team at 855-782-3378, and we can guide you through this install. Thanks.